How's it going, everyone? Mike here with April 9th, Merch by Amazon sales update. This is going to be a quick video. It's basically just going steady. As you can see here, 7 sales in the US and 1 in Germany for the total of 8 sales. So that's pretty much been the standard kind of standard. It's been up and down, but pretty much for the whole last week and this month, I would say my new average is about 8 to 9. Let's actually look at the total for the month. So nothing. About let's say 9 a day we're doing total sales. So the average has dropped a little bit from March, but it's kind of hovering around the same. Like there's absolutely no huge difference. Like if for example, if I was to get a few double-digit days, then the month would pretty much kind of turn out to be the same as March. But we'll see where we go, because this is the 9th. So and today I'm recording this on the 10th, and I have 10 sales already. So we'll see. There's maybe about 6 hours left in the night, and I wonder where it's going to end up. So it's kind of like hovering around the same area. Like I said, there's nothing crazy that stands out. The thing that's different this month is so far is Japan. So I don't know if you guys have been watching most of the videos, but in March there were a couple of days where Japan was just kind of like taking over, and I was actually surprised with what was selling, what kind of designs, and it was basically all text-based designs in English. And right now, as you can see, no sales. And I also think there was one day where I had 15 sales in one day, and that kind of like that bumps the average up as well. So if I'm not taking that into consideration, like anything that's kind of like out of the ordinary, then the month is just continuing, for example, around the same average as last month. So total sales, as you can see here in the US, 130. Total royalties of about $31, and this is actually nice to see, because mostly, as you can see here, most of the sales are t-shirts, which means that my average has actually gone up, and I'm talking about the royalties per sale average, definitely over the last couple of months. And then if we're looking at a longer kind of like time scale, it's something that I've been trying to do for the last year, and it's working. So that's actually good, and that's basically just simply pricing my products a little higher, and it really doesn't have any effect on my sales. I've talked about that a few times when I've tried to go really low, and I know some people do that where they're gonna basically they're making like 50 cents per sale in royalties, and for some people they say that they have luck and they sell way more shirts, but I didn't notice it. Plus also I never actually went that low. So my difference, for example, would be, I think the lowest that I ever went with a standard t-shirt was maybe $16.99 or $17.99, and now they're all priced at $19.99, standard and premium t-shirts. I know some people would price premium at $21 and still get sales, and so I've basically concluded that if your designs are good designs, if it's quality work, and if people actually are able to find it based on your keywords and search terms, you won't have any problems getting those sales. Let's see if there's anything else that we need to mention. So nothing really that stands out. As you can see here, we're pushing $1,500 in sales in total, and then creeping up to $300 in royalties. Excuse me, and we're talking day 9 of the month. So that's actually really good. So if we continue at this pace, I'm looking around $1,000 in royalties again. But again, we'll see. There might be a few days where I have 0 sales. I hope not. It hasn't happened in a while, but there could be a few days where I get 20 sales. So we'll see. But anyways, the kind of like direction that we're headed in looks really good. So far this month, for the first 9 days, 79 sales, as you can see, and we're just gonna keep going. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you soon.